Hi, I'm Brent Mays with Falcon Structures, and today I'm going to show you how to simply and easily open the cargo doors on your shipping container. Basically, you have two cargo doors with two vertical locking rods with a cam and keeper at each end. You need to start with the right cargo side door and on the interior locking rod first. Simply roll up the hasps, grasp the handle and rotate outward to disengage the keepers from the cam and then pull it open. Repeat the same process for the left side. Get the hasps out of the way, grip the handles, rotate outward, and pull it open. To close the container doors, you just want to do the exact same process in reverse. And the key here is to make sure that the keepers line up with the cams so they're in spot, and then you can close with the left and then the inner, and you're set. And then follow the same procedure on the right cargo door, making sure the keepers are lined up with the cam. Rotate inward, and you're all set. With a little practice, you'll be opening and closing your container doors like a pro. Thank you.